how long me tell you say me want the ear? Eh? I can't talk about a little bit of the ear. God knows I can't bother with you, you know, Kyle. I can't bother with you. 2 or 3 months me tell about my thing, you know. You're supposed to save and put down money if you me something, you know. John, you see all you? You see if I win some woman, you get burnt till you're weak.
Yes, remember say food me have to buy, you know, man. The bill them have to pay, you know, man. And I like say now get here, you know. Just can't buy the one right now. Because we are bills far away. Them baby.
Imagine, me of all person, you came here go embarrass me, eh? You know you make me feel shame up a stage a while ago. Jesus Christ, you know them the girl up there, so you know. When they don't take for me name and go scandal, so me man can me come a shop fi buy expensive ear and can't pay for it.
Remember so we have one little leakage in the bathroom, you know. I have to sort out that, you know. Plus they don't know we have look other things to do in our house, you know. See all the fridge be even freeze. You have to start out doing something, and I like say, now get here, you know, baby. You just now get the one there right now. You know me love the same way. A roadside with the point and make a scene, baby. Really?
Love can put ear on my head.
But I know that baby just hold out the man. You can sit by and go on a little bit. And I like say, now get here, you know. Everything alright, baby, man. The school, man.
Me want, a matter of fact, me no want it, me need it. And anyway, me no get it, me you go in a thing. If you think I lie, me I tell you, watch here. Tired of everything, looking at the place, eh? Looking at it also in the house there. Look at the place, eh?
Babes, you know if you go and say, you know, until I say everything alright, you know. Look how you're going out the road, baby. Things are just for take a little time now. I make sure you say alright, baby. Anything you ask, you go get it. Just calm down now, man. I know you did want to hear, man, but thing alright, man. Give me a little time, baby. And make sure you say everything alright for you. You hear that? Love the same way you do and you're going, you know. And if you're going somewhere.
From me come here, so, from me there with you, I saw the place there until now. And you still tell me if you hold on. Hold on power. You don't bother with them in your life, you know. I'm tired of it.
You're going so. You touch, you know.
No.
Everything alright, you know. Just give me a good time, now. Have a good faith now, you know. Yeah, move so. You know me love you. I just think kind of rough for me right now. I mean, I try, you know. So we just been able to have now, so now, baby. Hold on. You take the flag of the babes.
Put it on speaker, you know, coming on out and the girl, I'm calling.
Hello? Hello? Yes, sir. Why? Not really going good for me, I know, in my general. Everything I feel, you know, man. But I soon make a payment, man. I soon sort it out, yeah? Just give me a little time.
Why didn't you come and tell me that you have some problem?
Sometimes, you know, man, we have money, you know, full of pride, you know, man. Jaja.
Well, this is an organization, and either you come down to the bank quickly, or you're going to have to use your papers and leave some asset or something. So, do the right thing, okay, Mr. Coyle?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
3 months, I ain't not paying nothing for loan. Look at the place, you know, fix up. Worse, you go embarrass me up at station shop. You know, say a fool you take me for. Fool you take me for. Hold on, power. No, you take me for one big idiot. No, ramping. Look here. You see everything in here, so? Remember, say I feel me money buy it now. You know, not even this year you can't buy put in the house. So the dresser, the fan, and the chair where there's a plus me iron. Me come back for everything.
Me know.
No worry yourself. Let go me back.
You really just do that, baby?
Take people for
You love them, baby, and move, sir.
Love. Excuse me. Go love yourself right now. A better life me want.
Sandy, really?
I
You
need
really
a better life.
Sandy,
Bye.
where you go? Sandy! Yeah, God. Sandy, baby!
a good man. Yo, me Jay, what go on? Alright, yeah man, you can get the bima with the music with them man, but about the next half hour, you know, because they are car wash, you understand? Yeah. Don't worry yourself man. There's a 2 errands for run, collect 2 rent from some people in the park, right? So. And then man, check back on it and show it you. Alright? Alright, my general. Yeah. Good morning, Falan. You have the money?
Rent money again, sir. As me pay rent who?
Listen, my man, I tell you, I'm going to change the rent date.
Me no.
Your whole rent. Like, me never tell you, I change the date. Falan, me tell you, I move up the date. So you have to pay rent now. Did I not tell you? It's like I didn't tell you. I tell you that the rent will be earlier for this month.
Me want to go, that's why I put it at the last of the month. So every last of the month, me pay the rent, so me have time for the rest of the month if you can find the money.
Are you a rent me place or me a rent you place? You need to look into that.
But me still have to figure out how to pay the rent, how to get the money in.
I don't busy though you get the money, Falan. You just get the money in time. I'm just gonna give you 2 more days.
2 more days, sir.
2 more days, Falan.
2 more days no work so with rent.
You know
And business place, people don't rent place like that. Plus, you have me in the back. Yes.
That is for security, Falan. You have no reason to go there. That is not your concern. That is my security. Listen, my man. You're falling short, you know. You're really falling short. And I see people coming in and out. You're making money and you're falling short.
That means you're watching my business.
You have to watch me place.
You're watching my business. Mother Jesus. 2 days.
Alright.
2 days.
Don't worry yourself. Today I went.
You figure out it, you know.
Today I Tuesday. You see by Thursday, just make sure you have the money.
I will find it. By the hook or the crook, I will find it. I can't take the stress and problem with them rent. Them a dirty landlord.
Can't bother with them tenant.
Not even want to fix up the place. Dirty landlord. No, that not include tip. 15 for acrylic. Yeah. Current gone in, I mean, no hot water. But unless you want the cold water, I still work with it, but you know, you want your little pampering. Missy J. I don't tell Missy JPS. I swear say I cut them a cut off like, oh, me Bridget. I mean, I run this a time, you know. Me never did I run this a time, yeah. So I go and good girl in the pan today. So you not do no nails today, no money, no pay nothing.
What's that? You know, say I want money, me come borrow from you do.
Borrow money, you know, them tell me. A pandemic, this is a pandemic, woman. You know, them tell me you want to borrow money.
I know me broke.
So if you borrow it, how you pay back?
I find a way to try to pay back money.
How you find a way? And you not work?
I think too.
So, mama, you know no man?
Well, you know, so I have a look at one link still, but I just see just come and go and I do look at thing and something, but
Alright, you have a link. Let me tell you one style. It's when you and him get together again. Tell him say you're pregnant. Tell him say you're pregnant. And the man nowadays they don't want no pitney, you know. You hear me say? So just him will give you one money if you go dash away, so you just use that the money there and do what you want to do. You hear me say? Cause me not no money for none of them a tell me a pandemic. The pandemic act. You have to know if you choppy line. You look so good. Cause you look good like Naomi Campbell. Walk. If you start drive.
You know, say I true, girl. You know, say I true, me go try, man. Me go try.
Do it. It will work out. It have to work.
I don't know, say the thing that me can't check off a door, but they say not happy and something, so. We will link up, man. Me I just, you know, never go.
Alright. See how
Alright, later.
Later. Can't take them and sit here. Landlord come. Girl come. Friend come. We can't take it. Too much problem. Too much pressuring. Me there go and
I hope you sound Jaja.
Yeah, brother.
Listen, me there, me J.
You know, for the item where you bring come to sell, brother, I want good piece of food to get feet in the dark, but you know, for the piece of money they have to do. You don't know what you say, man, right? That's how we do. You see another way, okay, I make a piece for food, you know, but, yo, whenever the man call Likkle, man, I would talk about this, you understand?
Me link you later, sir.
Alright, brother.
Yeah, we Sunday I come for now. Hey babe. What happened to you? Make a sound so.
Yeah, girl, you don't know, say me left the one Kyle him. Me have to left for me pack up my things and left, man. Pay things are gone.
You and Kyle.
How are you there?
Me do your peppers are going normal. Which way they? Then forward now. Forward man, forward. Me there. Alright, do what you do man. Forward, me there. You can't tell me now when they go on with you and Kyle. Just come. Alright. That's weird.
Sunday, wait there. I don't know how to go.
Yeah, don't know how now.
You know, say something do you want to buy down there for me do, but I want to come up here, so back.
You know, so I not think me come back up here right now. Nothing so at all. By the way, what you did want?
My pregnancy test.
Mama?
Pregnancy test.
For yourself?
Yeah.
Give me your money.
Sandy! Come! How are you there go? You don't like my peppers, girl. So tell me now, girl, what happened? Your son terrible on the phone. I mean, no, that's not you. What go on?
You know, so me have to left the boy. Me left him, man. Me have to pack up my something and left this man.
Joke, yeah, make a kind of Kyle, you're doing something good. So yeah.
Look here, that went good when the money did it. The money when did it when he might do that good. No money no did it again.
Girl, we'll have to. You must want something to drink.
Yeah man, one cran water.
Alright, we'll have to.
This a kind of wash good, man. Yeah, man. I style like you to style me, you know. Hey.
know if you don't have money to pay the rent. Your life a pressure me right now, come next time I go a bank or borrow one loan or something. And you hold up then I get on call. You put up on hold. Somebody will come. Yes girl. What?
Actually, yeah, me I call tell you know, say me borrow your wig do me I go in town go mash one crime and come back.
Really, that you ask me about girl, I can't take you with and go on. Just take what you want and just go on. But I want important car right now, so yeah.
Yeah man, alright. Alright, cool.
Right. Eh, yeah, my friend called me.
Come now, drink and tell me yours. But you know, come to think about it, be here all we have to say. And to be honest, you know, Sunday, me I tell you the truth, nobody begs.
So make you go on so.
Sound like say, the man did have everything, you know, remember say you used to tell me how he act and all these things and money are run. But to me, it sound like as the money kind of they go low, you know how much you're ready to cut. Like a gold
Look
digging
like you not listen, or you not hear what me I say, good. You hear me just tell you say, actually, you know, look here, you might see me, you know, and think that everything good. Recently, I pay mackerel the boy I feed me pan. Mackerel go, mackerel come.
Them you tell me say, good up, Kyle, you talk so good about. They feed you for mackerel.
Him same one.
And then, oh, so that's the reason why you know make the guy horse, cause you know me tan.
But me couldn't care you come this so. You know what he said? You always tell me say you want to come know which part me live. And me never care. Girl, you don't want to see in the house. Shame.
Joke yeah, make a turn the Kyle you doing something good, so yeah.
Right now, you look like say a sex you want him, want me sex for hungry belly, you know. Me no want no gas.
You're rough. But at least you know so when you got a party, you know if you go back go look no man. Because you see the nice, fine figure and you take up yourself boy you want that the man there now. See it there, swell on you.
So clear, yeah, you rub that
No man, you know what I mean, friend. But I truth you know me plain. You understand?
You know, me come to stay neither, you know, because I have to go back down with my people them. So me am going to make you know what is what between me and that boy there.
Nobody begs with me with that. But just when they talk my mind. But me know how the family things stay and the fact that you go live with man and all the wait all of that. Anyways, you guys your man you don't go live with man and sit now go back a family you one bag of drama out there for you. So if you want no link to no place for rent, we can make one link for you. Does it mean?
Alright, me call you, Connie.
Okay.
Top bad, someone. Top bad.
Chaplain.
Ah, God. Yeah, man, there. You say, yeah, C-star. Go on easy.
You know, say a long time I don't see you, don't want to say you know.
You want to see me?
Come here, I miss you. I want to see you. From what day I think about you and so.
Yes, you miss me. Alright, so look here now. So just meet me in the town. Meet me in the town. Yeah, me pick you up, honestly.
Alright, cool.
Like, sitting now go on in the idea, yeah. But me wanna sweep me up so. No, let me kiss.
Can't bother no man. know, so I miss you.
Oh, man.
I don't want to go up by a hotel, but it's too far right now. We can go to a beach park.
Yeah, of course.
You know, say, a long time I link on something, but right now I don't even know how I did miss you. Come like you scarf me out.
Oh, so not really that, man. I'm busy, you know. What does that mean?
I can't do something right here now, right here, sir.
Of course. Right now. And that's me put this condom here. Shit, the condom boss.